Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our GMC Jimmy. Shows 94,454 for miles. Have no idea if that's original or over. See, fuel gauge just at 1/8 of a tank. Non-air truck. See, blinker there working. Blinker there working. Horn works. Wipers, they work, and we'll run the fan. Fan works. Let's see if this radio works. Yeah. It looks like the adjuster works, but that's it. It doesn't really work unless you got a preset here. There you can hear that it works. So
more music after this on New Country KF90.
This one has power locks. Both of them work. Let me turn that stereo. There's your window. So they all work.
They have top-notch service after the sale. And don't forget the huge parts inventory on hand. Give AWS 605
That goes up and down.
and check out their website.
So everything works except for this dome light doesn't work. So it might not have a bulb in it too. We'll take a listen to the engine. Had a Target Master 350 put in it at one time. Runs nice and smooth. Got the jack and everything. There's your lights there. And your tail lights. Heavy-duty trailer hitch on it if you want to tow anything. But good, solid Jimmy that runs and drives good. Any questions? 605-695-7391.